Imagine waking up to emails filled with sales notifications. The thrill of seeing your hard work pay off while you were in dreamland is unmatched. You stretch, yawn, and realize that while you were resting, your bank account was growing. You haven't lifted a finger, but your affiliate marketing business is making money while you sleep. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality for many who have mastered the art of affiliate marketing. The beauty of this business model is that it works around the clock, even when you don't. Sounds good, right? That's the power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is your ticket to achieving it in 2025. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply spend more time with loved ones, all while your business continues to generate revenue. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, providing you with the knowledge and tools to start your own journey toward financial freedom. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced strategies, we've got you covered. No more dreaming about passive income. Let's turn it into your reality. We'll walk you through each step, from choosing the right niche to finding the best affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and driving traffic to your offers. This guide is your roadmap to success, packed with practical tips, real-world examples, and actionable steps. You'll learn how to optimize your campaigns, track your performance, and scale your business for long-term success. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in online business before, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. With dedication and the right strategies, you can build a sustainable income stream that works for you, not the other way around. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly neighborhood guide for online shoppers. Imagine you have a friend who is always on the lookout for the best deals and coolest products. They share their finds with you, and you trust their recommendations because they have a knack for discovering great stuff. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is, but on a larger scale. You recommend products or services you love to your audience through your website, blog, social media, or email list. This can be anything from the latest tech gadgets to fashion items, beauty products, or even online courses. The key is to choose products that resonate with your audience and that you genuinely believe in. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. This link is special because it tracks the sales back to you, ensuring you get credit for the referral. It's a seamless process that benefits everyone involved. Think of it as getting a finder's fee for connecting the dots between awesome products and eager customers. You're the bridge that helps people find what they're looking for, and in return, you get rewarded for your efforts. The best part? You don't have to create, manufacture, or ship any products yourself. This means you can focus on what you do best, creating content and engaging with your audience, while the merchants handle the logistics. This business model is a win-win for everyone involved. The merchant gets more sales without spending a fortune on advertising, the customer discovers products they might not have found otherwise, and you, the affiliate, earn passive income by connecting them. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its simplicity and scalability. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone with a passion for sharing great products, you can start earning money with minimal upfront investment. It's a flexible and rewarding way to monetize your online presence and turn your passion into profit. The first step to affiliate marketing success is choosing a niche. This is the foundation upon which your entire affiliate marketing journey will be built. Without a clear niche, your efforts may be scattered and less effective. A niche is simply a specific topic or area you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's important to choose something that not only interests you, but also has a potential audience. This balance between passion and market demand is crucial. Your niche could be anything from technology gadgets to pet care products to sustainable living solutions. The possibilities are endless, and the more specific you can be, the better. For example, instead of just technology, you might focus on smart home devices. The key is to pick a niche that genuinely interests you. When you're passionate about your niche, it won't feel like work. You'll be more motivated to create content, engage with your audience, and stay updated on industry trends. This will make creating content and engaging with your audience much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Consistency is key in affiliate marketing, and it's much easier to be consistent when you enjoy what you're doing. Plus, your passion will shine through, making you a more authentic and trustworthy source of information for your audience. People can tell when you're genuinely interested in what you're talking about, and this builds trust and credibility. Remember, you don't need to be an absolute expert to start. It's okay to learn as you go. In fact, sharing your learning journey can make your content more relatable and engaging. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and willingness to grow. Choose a niche you're excited to learn more about, and your enthusiasm will resonate with your audience. As you grow and evolve, so can your niche. The important thing is to start with something that excites you and has the potential to connect with others. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find relevant affiliate programs to join. These programs connect you with merchants who sell products or services related to your niche. There are countless affiliate programs available, so it's important to do your research and choose reputable ones that align with your values and target audience. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. When selecting affiliate programs, consider factors such as commission rates, cookie duration, the time frame you have to earn a commission after a referral clicks your link, payment terms, and the quality of the products or services offered. After joining an affiliate program, you'll receive unique affiliate links for each product or service you want to promote. These links contain a special tracking code that identifies you as the referring affiliate. It's crucial to use these unique links correctly whenever you mention or recommend an affiliate product. Don't just copy and paste the product's regular URL, always grab your unique affiliate link from the program dashboard. This ensures that you'll get credit for any sales that result from your referrals. Remember, accurate tracking is essential for getting paid for your efforts. Creating content that converts. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. To generate sales, you need to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience while seamlessly integrating your affiliate links. There are various types of content that work well for affiliate marketing, including blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, videos, social media posts, and email newsletters. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates best with your audience. The key is to create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. When your content is valuable and engaging, people will be more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Driving traffic to your content. Creating great content is just the first step. You also need to drive traffic to it so people can actually find and engage with it. There are numerous ways to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing content, both free and paid. Free traffic methods include search engine optimization, social media marketing, guest posting on other websites, participating in online forums and communities, and building an email list. Paid traffic methods include running social media ads, using Google Ads, and collaborating with influencers in your niche. The best approach often involves a combination of both free and paid traffic strategies. Getting paid for your efforts. The moment you've been waiting for. Getting paid for your affiliate marketing efforts. Each affiliate program has its own payment schedule and methods. Some programs pay monthly, while others have a payment threshold you need to reach before receiving a payout. Common payment methods include PayPal, bank transfer, and checks. It's important to track your earnings, monitor your affiliate links' performance, and optimize your strategies over time to maximize your income potential. The journey to affiliate marketing success. Starting an affiliate marketing business can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistent action to build a thriving affiliate marketing business. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies along the way. The most important thing is to get started today. Choose your niche, join affiliate programs, create valuable content, drive traffic, and watch your passive income grow. The world of affiliate marketing awaits. Take the first step today and start building your dream of financial freedom.